Hello children, good morning. How are you all doing? Very good. So are you all ready for today's class? Shall we begin? Okay. Today I'm going to teach you a GK topic. GK is general knowledge. And the name of our topic is some more animals. Okay. So now we will see the animals one by one. Snail. This is called a snail. And when do we see the snail? We see them in the rainy season. You all must have seen snails, isn't it? Yes. So this is called a snail and we see them in the rainy season. Squirrel. You all must have seen a squirrel, isn't it? Jumping and playing on the tree. Yes, the squirrel lives on the tree. So this is called a squirrel. Porcupine. This animal is called a porcupine and it has sharp quills on its body. So it's called a porcupine. Lizard. We all are scared of lizard, isn't it children? Yes, because it looks very scary. And where do we find them? We find them on the walls of our house. Yes, you must have seen them, isn't it? Yes, so this is called a lizard. Snake. Where do snakes live? Snakes live in hole. And we all are very scared of snake, isn't it? Because it may bite. So this is called a snake. Frog. When do we see frogs? We see them in the rainy season. When it's raining, we hear lot and lot of frog noise, isn't it? Yes. So we see frogs in the rainy season. And frogs live in water as well as on land. Mouse. What is this called? Mouse. Mouse has a long tail. So, you all must have seen a mouse, isn't it children? Yes, sometimes it enters the house. Yeah? Yes, this is called a mouse. And where do mouse live? Mouse lives in the hole. Mouse lives in the hole. Crocodile. It's very scary, isn't it? We all are scared of crocodile. Crocodile lives in water as well as on land. Tortoise. What is this called? It's called a tortoise. Tortoise lives in water. And most of them keep tortoise as a pet at home. So this is called a tortoise. So children, we have all studied the topic some more animals. Okay, now it's time for some question and answers. I will say the question first and after that I will also say the answer. So children, you have to learn these question and answers because teacher will be asking you the question and you will have to say the answer. Okay? So shall we begin with our first question? Okay. Now the first question is, which animal live in water as well as on land? Do you remember which animal lives in water as well as on land? Correct. Frogs and crocodiles live in water as well as on land. Frogs and crocodiles live in water as well as on land. Now let's go to the second question. Which animals live in holes? The question is, which animals live in holes? The answer is mice and snakes live in holes. The answer is mice and snake live in holes. Now let's go to the third question. Which creature do we find on the walls of our house? Do you remember the answer, children? We are very scared of that creature. Correct. Lizard. So, we find lizards on the walls of our house. Once more, I'll repeat the question. Which creature do we find on the walls of our house? We find lizards on the walls of our house. Now the last question. Which animal has sharp quills on its body? Which animal has sharp quills on its body? The porcupine has sharp quills on its body. The answer is the porcupine has sharp quills on its body. So children, these are the question and answers. I want you all to learn them. Okay? Now it's some fun time because it's activity time. You all must be waiting for some activity, isn't it? Yes. So shall we begin? Okay, let's start. Children, today let us learn how to draw an easy frog. For that, you need a white plain paper, one pencil, eraser, crayon colors and a black sketch pen. So, shall we start, children? Okay, let's start. Now, to draw a frog, I am going to draw two oval shapes. One for the face and another one for the body. So, the first oval shape for the face, I am going to draw small. Okay. See children, this is an oval shape for the face. Now I am going to draw another oval shape for the body of the frog. Okay, so I have drawn two oval shapes. Now let's draw the hands of the frog. So from the middle here, I am going to draw a standing line like this, and then I am going to draw the hands of the frog like this, and again I am going to join this with another standing line. Now the right hand, standing line again, the hands like this, and join it with a standing line like this. Okay, now let's draw the legs of the frog. Start from here with a curve and come down with a slanting line like this, and then draw the feet like this. And join it. Okay, now the another leg of the frog, start from here with a curve, come down with a slanting line and draw the feet and join it like this. Okay, Now the two hands, children, just join this with a curve like this. Okay. Now let's draw the eyes of the frog. So I'm going to draw two oval shapes again for the eyes. So like this, one oval shape, one more oval shape like this, and the two eyeballs like this. Okay. Now let's draw the mouth like this, like this. See children, our frog is ready. Isn't it easy? Yes. So now let's color the frog. See children, I have finished coloring the frog. Isn't it easy? Yes. Now I have also done the outline with a black sketch pen. Okay children, so you can also try this at home. Thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye.